This is Shur on Tefila. We got to Tefila leDavid. We are at the fifth pasuk. The fifth pasuk says something about Simcha. These days we need to increase our Simcha. Now the pasuk says, Sameyach Nefesh Avdecha. See, everybody's request from Hashem is at the end of the day. You have family, you have money, you have children, you have everything. What do you want? You want Hashem to make you happy. That's the most important ingredient in life. Somebody who's happy, he feels that he has everything. Somebody has everything, he's not happy, he's missing everything. Therefore, happiness is the most important element of life. And ironically, people work so hard for everything to reach happiness, but when it gets to happiness itself, nobody put any effort for that. They take it as granted. They feel all of the tools put together make it to happen. A lot of times you could put the tools together, but just like how God made Adam, it's a goof and the neshama. You put the goof and the body together, you feel you made the Adam. Oh, this person has hand, has food, has eyes, has nose, has teeth, everything, but there's a neshama. You have to have a neshama. As long as you didn't give neshama, that Adam is not alive. Alive is not there. A lot of people work on the goof of Simcha, on the embodiment of Simcha. And they put together and they're surprised, how come happiness is not here? Because happiness is not just putting the bodies together, the tools together. You have to give the neshama of happiness, the livelihood of the happiness to the occasion to bring Simcha. And Avdecha tells us a very important secret in this Tefila. Sameyach Nefesh Avdecha. You go to Avdecha and you tell him, Hashem, make my soul rejoice, to gladden Nefesh Avdecha, soul of yourself. In other words, you go to an investor and tells him that, please invest with me. Now, obviously, he's going to ask you, why do you need the investment for? What do you want to do with it? You want to hurt people? You want to use it in the wrong way? You want to be destructive? Or you want in a have something neutral? Or you want something positive? But how much is positive? 10%, 20%, 30%, or 100%. When you are asking something from an investor, the way that you express yourself, the one that you want to use it is very important. Listen to Avdecha. Avdecha says in a very true manner. It's not just the Torah, it's not just saying something and you don't mean it. He says, listen to David. David is giving us a secret how to talk to our Shbarach. David says, Avdecha says, tell Hashem, Sameyach Nefesh Avdecha. Hashem, make my soul to be happy, soul of your Avdecha. First of all, your Avdecha, servant. If you're not servant of Hashem, forget about it. What? You want Hashem to give you things, do against him, go against him, you have to be servant. Now listen to him. Ki elecha Hashem Adonai Sameyach. Because for you, upon you, Hashem, my master, I want to lift up my soul. And if this soul is not happy, he can't get there. I know in front of you, working for you, is the first and the most important is happiness and joy. Therefore, without joy and happiness, my Nefesh would not come to you, will not be able to carry your mitzvot, would not be able to serve you properly. Therefore, make me happy, make your servant, soul of your servant happy, gladden it. Ki elecha Hashem nafshi esa. Because to you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, my master, nafshi esa, I lift up my soul. I don't want to be happy, just have a good time, to luxuries of life, or to do some harmful. No. I want something very, very high profound. I want to lift up my soul to you, and my soul to you, the only way that it would be pleasing you is when it's happy. It's full of joy, full of happiness. And soul that's dead, you don't want it. Therefore, make me happy. Now, Radak says, Esa here, Ki Hashem Nefesh Esa, means three things could mean. Ki Lecha Hashem Nafshi Esa. What does Esa mean? First explanation right now says that, please, release from me all of the agony that I have, because agony damages the soul. I might protect my soul, which is destined to ascend and rejoice in you. Therefore, the agony is destroying my soul. It doesn't let me do your avodah properly. But this is the way that sincerely you tell about Baruch. Now, Radak suggests three pshatim for Islam. One pshat is, I implore you with all my soul. The Islam, I implore you with all of my soul. All of my soul will be dedicated to you. Or, second pshat he learns, another an important point. I place all of my hope only in you. Very interesting. In other words, you go to somebody, you want to ask him something, you know that if he doesn't have, you go to somebody else. You don't beg him. You do me a favor, give me. You don't have it, you gotta go to somebody else. But when you know that's the only person, or somebody needs a surgery, and there's only one surgeon to do that, nobody else could do that. Therefore, you beg, you ask, you put all of your hopes in him. Therefore, the attitude is a different type of attitude. The besiege is a different type of besiege. Because you know the only way for me to stay alive to go through the surgery is through the surgeon. Nobody else could do the job. Therefore, here, in other words, all of my hopes in you, nobody else I could go to. Or the third pshat is, I offer all of my soul to you as a korban. I want to sacrifice myself to you. But please make me happy that I should know how to do it. It should be done in a way that's pleasant to you. I do not have a lot of time to do about shbarfu. We daven, we pray, we learn. Now, are we doing it in the best efficiency? Are we doing right korban? We are satisfying our shbarfu. It's pleasing Hashem. Now, here in this Tefila, we are asking about shbarfu. Hashem, please help us that we should be able to do to bring our Nefesh soul as a korban to you. Therefore, you learn from David say that you daven about shbarfu, with that you talk to him, then Hashem would help you to do it. That's what it gives you ambition. What do you need happiness in life for? Happiness to make more money, happiness to have more luxury in life, happiness to have a better home. What is it? Oh, that's perspective. Happiness is to be able to connect your neshama to in a pleasant way, in the best sacrifice, in the best offering, in the best way. This is the ambition that gives you. Secondly, you're going to daven better because you're going to ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu to give you the soul that you should serve him better. That's a better type of davening. Hashem would accept it, and Hashem would create facilities for you and gives you a perspective on life. This is a perspective to have. All that happens. Now, unfortunately, when we daven, we just move very fast and quick. So it's very good sometimes to focus on what is being said and gives you such an important insight in your life.